Okay, now it's going to be your turn. So there's 3 different parts to your assignment today. Part 1, you are going to drag a circle, so one of these red ones, to circle the customer units that would best be used to measure the weight of each object below. So you have a football player, a cupcake, a wooden bench, and a car. So you're going to drag this red circle. Would you measure the football player's weight in ounces, pounds, or tons? So you're going to circle it. For the cupcake, same thing. Would you measure it in ounces, pounds, or tons? Circle it. For the wooden bench, would you measure it in ounces, pounds, or tons? Circle it. And then for the car, would you measure it in ounces, pounds, or tons? And you're going to circle it. The second part is you actually have these different scales. I want you to label each scale with the correct weight and the unit of measure. So if you look at this first one, we're going to see where the scale actually stops. So if I look at it, it stops right here on the 30. So I'm going to actually write 30, and then I'm going to look at my different units, and this says OZ, so it's ounces. So for the first one, I'm going to put 30, and then I'm going to say OZ for ounces. So you're going to do that for the other 3 as well. You can type in the box. The last one says, what tool is helpful when measuring weight? So what tool have we been using? So you're going to tell me right here. When you're finished, you're going to make sure you turn it into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. I'll see you later. Bye.